Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Princess here. As usual, happy new year to you guys. So coming to you on a Friday, of course, and I'm just seated under a shade and I thought I could talk to you guys. I was actually reading for my exam, but let's talk. Concerning my content this year, I'm not really sure how it's gonna take me. I'm just going to ride with whatever comes my way. But I'm really hoping that everything will be fine. Actually, I hoped everything could be fine or will be fine, but until today, when I lost some of my files, that is my content that I was supposed to post. I just woke up one day and 6 videos are lost, and they were videos from last year between June to August. I had filmed some videos, but I had left them somewhere, so I couldn't post them during that time, and the distance was long, so I went back for them this year, but they are lost again, and I feel so bad, especially the ones that were hairstyles that I had filmed. They were 2 hairstyles, one singing challenge. Lost, guys. Another hairstyle, how to style video also is lost. There were a total of 6 videos. There was one about things to do in the village. I feel so bad that that video is lost because I had taken so much time and energy into filming that video and editing it, and it was a lot, and it's lost. But at least that one I can refilm it when next I go to the village. There was another video on my video on a moving video. That one can never be refilmed because we are out of that house and it's over just like that. But it's okay, there is nothing I can do about it. There is no need for me to stress myself about it. I just post the ones that I remained with. They will be previous files from the last year. So, and yeah guys, I'm on my last semester of my undergraduate, let me say my first undergraduate, because I'm not sure what the future holds. Maybe I might find myself in another undergraduate or in a postgraduate. Amen. So I'm in my last semester. I'm still on the first semester. I'm just reading for my exams. It is this January. It's just a few days too. Yeah, and then I start my last semester. I'm so excited and scared at the same time because I do not know what the future holds. But at least I know who holds the future. But I need to have plans for myself, which as for now I have no damn idea. But everything will work out. Of course, I know everything usually works out for your good, right? So that is what I just needed to talk to you guys. Then actually the losing of those files has made me feel so demotivated. I don't feel like I will film any other videos. There were 15 videos in total, but now I have 9, 10, around 10 left. But there were close to 20 videos. Now I wanted to post them during this semester so that I have to film videos, but anytime I get enough to film a video, then yeah, I will film. But then thank you for sticking around, thank you for being around. And guys, I did my own braids. I did these pink braids just on the eve of Christmas Day, and they're kinda already old, 1 week old, but they're gonna stay here until I finish my exams for another 2 weeks, 3, 4. So it will have stayed for 1 month, then I take them out. But I love them. Pink, pink, pink. And yeah guys, how many of you have goals and new things to do for this year? I wish you all the best. For me, I don't think I will have so much, but I made my first vision board last year, that is 2019, which somewhat ticked, but I learned my lesson. One of the lessons that I learned during when you're making a vision board, just make sure it's all about you on that vision board. Don't have other people included on that vision board. It should be a selfish, vision for yourself, such that, and make sure you are not giving your visions to someone else to fulfill them. Make sure whatever you're writing on that vision board, it is you who is going to make that happen and no one else. Because if you're including someone else there, your paths are different, and you know, you never know what will come your way. Make sure you're so selfish. That is the mistake I made when I was making my vision board last year. I included other people. It should be a selfish thingy, a selfish decision that you make. But it's okay, we learn as we go. Thank you guys for being here. Sometimes I feel so awkward being in front of the camera, especially when it's been a long time since I was on, filming a video, or especially when many people who are following you know you personally. I feel so shy, and I feel like it's, I prefer people on the outside space than people who know me personally to be following me on YouTube. But this is a journey that I started in 2018 December, and I'm not going to stop. What come rain, comes sunshine, I'll just receive whatever comes my way and work with it. Yeah. And guys, my voice sounds weird, right? Not mine. It's a cold. I know I'm starting a year with, sickness, but I refuse it in the name of Jesus. I will not be sick for the rest of the year. I don't know if you grew up with that stereotype. Ati the way you start your year, even ndo mwaka yako yote itakuwa. I think it's a lie. Everything that people say, it's all about their belief. And with me, I was raised up believing like that. But they always say the end is better than the beginning. So I'm sorry guys. It's a cold. So I refuse sickness this year. I refuse. Oh. I speak health, I speak good health, life. Just speak the good health, but also live it. Eat good food, take good care of myself, reduce stress, and, be positive about everything. I feed myself with good health, then the good health manifests itself outside. Because that is how the universe responds to us. It gives you what you give it back. If you give your body bad things, then don't expect your body to be healthy. From everything you watch, you read, you think about yourself, it will manifest itself outside. So if you want a good health, eat well. If you want, opportunities, let the opportunities begin from you. Form those opportunities inside of you and inside your head. They always say, as a man thinketh, so he is. So feed what you want. Yeah, garbage in, garbage out. Prosperity in, prosperity out. Positivity in, positivity out. And that is how the universe responds. And all these beliefs that people believe in and that we were raised believing, it's not true. Whew. 2020. I'm so happy that I can actually catch the camera and just talk anything. And so yeah, one thing that I am hoping for this year is that the universe will grant me female friends. That is what I'm only hoping for this year. And just more friends, whether female or male, or both of them. That is all I'm hoping for this year. I just want to live a simple life, take everything simple, nothing serious, and receive all opportunities that come my way, and just simply enjoy life. My word for this year is first time. I want to try new things, everything that I've not done in life. I want to do them, just have fun with life, receive and give out positivity into the universe, so I may receive it back too. And that's all, guys. I was thinking of a name that I should call you loves, my loves, but whenever the camera comes on or it stands on, all I think of saying is guys, my people. Thank you guys thank you loves for sticking around, if you've subscribed, if you're following, if you just found this for the first time. Thank you, and you're welcome again and again and again. And you can just choose positivity this year. Just decide that for yourself. Decide to give it out and be ready to receive every opportunity that comes your way. Do not overthink anything. Do not fear. In fact, act on your fears and have a prosperous new year. It's still new, but it's gonna be like any other year, of course. We get to the mid, we get to the end, rushing hours, and that is just how life is, right? Yeah, thanks for watching my little rant. um I hope you enjoy all the previous files that from last year that I will be posting them. I hope you will enjoy them, and I wish you all the best for this year. I hope for the best for you, and I hope for the best for myself. I just wanna live my life unapologetically me, just be myself, and not to apologize for being myself. And I hope I'll maintain that momentum. Otherwise, I wish you all the best for the year 2019. I'm still not that sad even after my files are lost. Life moves on regardless. It has to move on. For now, I have to read for these exams, excel them, then start my new semester. Wish you all the best, then bye.